Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to check ping in League of Legends before play. So firstly, let's go ahead and go to the settings, the gear icon. Then go to the hotkeys. Scroll down to find the display and find the toggle FPS display button. And here we must know how to enable this. And it's been written, or it's been shown, that you have to click the Control F button. Now, let's test that out. Let's play a game. Let's go to practice tool and confirm. Then start the game.
Are you the
And just wait for a moment.
or the prey?
And the FPS is being displayed on the top right corner of the game. To disable this, you just have to click the Control F. And to enable to display the FPS, just click the Control F again. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.